Hey guys, Brent coming to you from Denton, Texas, 940-243-0405. I have a 2021 Rockwood 826 MBR. This one has the rear cargo rack on it. It has automatic leveling. So this is not going to be a huge coach. It is lighter for all it has here. Had the bug screens on it, residential steps, independent suspension. Has your recliners here. 10 cubic foot fridge and freezer. Lots of counter space. Has a taller bar stools. I like that, the way they sit up. Sound bar, TV. This is a nice setup. Big viewing window. MCD shades on here. It has both the day shades and the night shades. You have a nice large master bedroom. Lots of space, 2 ACs, guys. Lots of great counter space here. Built-in dresser. Nice hanging closet. Big bathroom. Lots of leg room around the potty there. Big wide shower, guys. Let's see if I can get this a little bit better for you. Sorry. Skylight in it. That's a big shower. We're going to have dual vanities. Lots of storage once again. These do go pretty deep, so they're not just shallow. So coming back out, you can see. Guys, come by and see us, 4001 South Interstate Highway 35 East in Denton, Texas, or give us a call, 940-243-0405. We have a large pre-owned and consignments, and we're having blowouts now on all of our new 2022s. This one also has solar on it. So, hey, give us a call. Come by and see us, 940-243-0405. You guys have a blessed day.